All right, y'all. So we are here because we're gonna go through the Crypto.com app. Now, I'm not gonna go too much in depth because we don't want to make this too long, but just so you can get a basic understanding of the app, which is pretty cool. What I like about it is that it has the wallet that communicates very well together. So like when you're comfortable after you, because you know, not your keys, not your crypto, but you know, that's when you're comfortable enough, you can move it to the wallet. Let's just go through it right here. So if you click on those three lines at the top, you'll see it has your crypto wallet, cash, recurring buy, limit order, up down options, strike options, crypto basket. Notice it has stock trading where you can look for a certain type of stock. It has whale baskets, which I'll show you, and I'll show you the crypto baskets. It shows you your portfolio once you decide to like purchase stocks. Also, you can get the card where you will get rewards based on your purchases. You see it right here, earn crypto by staking. There's the airdrop arena. You can go through missions where you can earn crypto also. You can go through the rewards, and then you have where you can learn Crypto.com, NFT, and then university. It's a lot in there. But what we're gonna do is we're going to go through the crypto wallet. Well, no, we're not gonna go through the crypto wallet. Well, I'll go through it one by one. Boom. So right here in the crypto wallet is where your balance would show for the items that you have invested in. And it's fairly simple, you know, buy, sell, different things like that, transfer when you're ready to send it to a wallet. Then you can look at the performance of an asset. So like, for example, Chronos, since we're on the Crypto.com app, and you can look, jeez, it has my balance there. Like I'm trying for you to not to see my balance, but it's like showing my balance. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna keep it fairly simple. So like what you do is if you go over to the market, boom, we're over here in the market, and you can see the overall market. It'll show you, for example, the market cap of all crypto is at $4 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is at around 58%. Fear and greed is at 70, which is a good thing. Fear and greed means the market is feeling good about what's happening. You know, once Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoin season picks up. So get ready for that. Ondo is altcoin. The reason why we're here is because I've been talking about Ondo, but we're not going to limit it here because you could have found this video at another time. But notice your coins are in order based on market cap. And so, of course, Bitcoin is first, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, BNB, all in that order. If you wanted to find Ondo, which I know is like number 30 something, since I'm already there, right there, Ondo is number 35. And if you want to purchase your Ondo, you would simply click on it, and then you're not supposed to see my balance, but you would click on trade Ondo, and it would take you to your card, which you would attach to your bank account or Apple Pay, depending on what you want to use for your investment. But the cool thing is it has insights on the market. You can read news, you can see different signals, but of course you must always do your own research. Notice it has what the unemployment rate categories. You can go look at the Chronos ecosystem because Crypto.com is CRO, the Crypto.com arena, if you're not aware. Boom, here we have meme coins. Boom, you can see the different meme coins that's on their system. They have meme baskets. So if you go to, there's a crypto basket. So it's advice. You don't have to stick to this, but notice it has the blue chip ETF tokens, which are, for example, in the last year has done over 100%. And that's Bitcoin heavy, Ethereum, Solana, Chronos, Ripple. You don't have to put 70% Bitcoin. Like if you have $100, you don't have to put $70 in Bitcoin, because if you're trying to be strategic with your investment, in reality, Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin goes up 50%, Bitcoin goes up 50%, Solana can go up 400-500%. You understand? So you must always do your own research and make the decision for yourself. But it's cool that it offers it here and it shows it here as an option Let's go to the real world asset tokenization, because we're here for Ondo, but not limited to Ondo. We're here for all. So the real world assets are down 6% in the last year, down 10% in the last 6 months, but up 35% in the last 3 months. So like if you would have been putting some of your investments into Maker, Ondo, Quant, Pendle, VeChain, you would be up like within the last 3 months. At the time of this recording, you would be up 35%. Now, Ondo's gonna take off. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Not financial advice, but you're not limited to those. Then it has US blue chip. You know, take everything with a grain of salt. Make sure you do your research and you understand anything that you're investing in. And notice you said it sees you. Look, as I'm doing this, Ondo up 8%. Y'all see that? Okay, that's kind of cool too. But remember, always do your own research. And I think that's about it. Oh, let's look at the crypto. No, we just look at the crypto baskets. Let's look at the stock whale baskets. So Warren Buffett, his basket is up 1.93%. Jensen Huang, hopefully I said that right, NVIDIA CEO, their basket is up 231% in the last year at the time of this recording, and that consists of CoreWeave, ARM Holdings, Nibius Group, and Recursion Pharmaceuticals. In the last 3 months, up 222%. In the last 6 months, up 227%. That's a strong basket right there. Okay, Nancy Pelosi, guys, how good is her basket doing? There you see it. Bill Gates, 7.23%. So they have Warren Buffett, Jensen Huang, hopefully I said that right, Bill Gates, Nancy Pelosi. They're new, but you can see these are a lot of Paul Singer, Josh Gottmeyer. Yeah. Anyway, like I said, always do your own research. Now, if you don't have a Crypto.com account, click on the link in the description below. That link will take you to the app which you must download. You have to do KYC. That's called Know Your Customer. They're gonna verify who you are so that it's not fraud. So don't be afraid to do that if you've ever signed up to any broker. That's what you have to do. And there's currently whatever type of reward based on what you decide to put into the account. There's some free, whether it be crypto or stocks, I'm not sure, available. So go ahead and click that link in the description. Hopefully you got something from this. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and I will do my best to respond or put you in the right direction, because I don't claim to know it all. I just do my research. And make sure you share this with somebody who needs to hear this. It's your boy. I'll catch y'all on the next one.